and Mark, right? So I'll be going for my own world record as well. I mean, you're not the only guy. I want to go for .001 all the way down to be the world's slowest guy down the track. So that's a record, right? No, so yeah. Well, listen though, the difference between what I do and what Mark does, right? So I fell in love with this bed 5 years ago. I worked for Indy's Garage, it was MAB before that. I've been involved with Indiana Corn now for 3 or 4 years. I've traveled like in the last 3 years 75,682 miles on behalf of ethanol, E-Flex fuel, and a lot of the people that are inside of this tent. And so I want to first of all thank all of you guys. You helped change my life a little bit. I always wanted to be, a race car driver. That's kind of a word that most people in Indiana, when you grow up, that's something that's always in the back of your mind. I don't have big budgets. I'm not out there spending a ton of money, but I try really hard just to participate and have fun. So one of the things that I always thought was unique was this event when I started putting people in the car with me and seeing the reaction of the speed and how much power it is. Because most of you guys have no clue what 130 or 140 or 150 or 260 mile an hour feels like. And so my part is to get as many people enthusiastic about speed, doing it safe, and then obviously ethanol is the key to that. And so my goal and my passion has always been to share it, right? I've always felt like if I was just the one guy in the room that didn't talk about it or didn't share what I had, then I was wasting my God's gift and ability, which is to share the beauty of something that I fell in love with later in life. I'm 50 years old, I have 4 daughters, and so I love going out there. This year I ended up doing the sedan class, and I don't have to race today because I already won the sedan class, so I picked the biggest, slowest team. No, not really, but it was still hard. And so today I can come back out here and enjoy doing what I always did the first couple years, which is putting people inside the car with me and going as fast as I can down the track safely, okay? And so that's my goal. I always was still pushed to go fast. I'm never going to catch up to this guy.
Okay, so you said you already won the sedan class. Are you making challenges? Maybe I can come give you a run for money?
Yes. Yes. What's sedan?
Let's go.
You got 2 races to go to catch up.
No, I'm saying next year.
Oh God, no. No, but it was, it was unique, right? So I've traveled, I've done every race. I've traveled, throughout. I mean, I was tired for like a month or 2 for doing all these races because it is hard and it takes a lot of money, as he knows. And we're not doing it for recognition, right? I'm not doing this to show up on TV. I do this because the people in this room a lot of you guys are my friends now. I've known you for 4 or 5 years. Yuha, who I couldn't say his name right for 5 months. E-Flex Fuel Technology. Yeah, he's from Finland. And so Yuha and I have gone to, SEMA 3 times. We've done PRI. We've done multiple commodities classics. And it's absolutely beautiful to be able to, to be associated with, the ethanol and the energy marketing. I've known Kate now for a long time. Everything they do is great. And I just feel very blessed. And so my goal always is to share what was given to me with all the people that come out here. And so if you want to do ride-alongs and you want to experience a little bit of what speed is like safely, then that's what I'm here to do this weekend. So find us. We have.
Where will you be? This is the car.
Well, we have that one. We have a Z06. We have some other cars out there today. So that's, what I consider my family grocery getter, but it'll do 0 to 100 in like 6 seconds. So it's still pretty fun. And some guys rode in it today, right? I mean, it's surprisingly fast. But I have to get kids to school very quickly, so that was it. So that's my excuse always. That's why I raced Hellcats, because I'm like, it's a family car. What are you talking about? So anyway, so if you want to enjoy it and, enjoy going, not 260, tomorrow. I mean, I can change it to kilometers and just tell people how fast we're do 60.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So anyway, so that's what I do. So I honestly want to thank you guys. I want to thank Jason. Jason and I have become great friends. I've enjoyed the journey. I hope it continues. And, next year, we're building a Corvette that'll hopefully do 200 miles an hour. I'm going to give up on big, fat, heavy Hellcats and maybe go to lighter BMWs. So I'd like to have 2 or 3 cars that go 200 miles an hour. Because I'm very competitive. And like, just like he does. That's probably why we're a lot alike. So, not always going to be the slow guy. Like Jimmy owes me Taco Bell.
Taco Bell, baby! Let's go! We on that dollar menu.
That's right.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for the opportunity you give me, and I hope I can be a part of this for a long time. All right? Thanks.